Ayun na, kakainan muna bago umalis. Biyaheng Lunita.
Pagkain.
May mga turista kaming kasama.
Wala pa si Eva dyan, no? Si Eva, wala pa?
LG. At nandito na sa Ayala Bridge.
Kaya po, nakan.
Malapit na to sana. Sa Top Avenue. Patayan, nandito na sa Lunita. Ayan, ha? Yun, napakano po dito. At ito po ay anniversary ng CFC, Couples for Price. Ayan. Yun, mga kasama. Patayan. Ang daming mga sasakyan na nandito. Ayan, ha? Yun. At ito, ang binyo dito ng CFC, Couples for Price. At ako napasama. Ayan, ha? Pasok po tayo sa ano. Ayan.
Next door, tita.
Alright. Ito pala meron totoong last but not the least. Ito.
Yan, nandito sa puno at napakalilim po dito. Dito po kami pipisto, maghahanap. Ayan. Iba, may mga nakatent na.
Brothers and sisters, magingay muna tayo para sa CFC Horn of Elders! Because of problems, we must remember that the family is also the solution. We pray to have a vibrant community fulfilling God's design for the family, devoted to following Christ and ministering to one another through faith, hope, and love. We desire to bring Christ back into the center of each home, each other. Our mission is to build strong marriages, strong families, and strong communities. Brothers and sisters, magingay para sa family is a gift! Both CFC and Paul and Missionary embody the mission of Couples for Christ to serve the poor and evangelize, reflecting the organization's commitment to faith in action and the transformative passion, love, and service. Poverty is not just a word, but a call to action. Are you ready to be part of the answer? Once again, brothers and sisters, mag-ingay para sa Tisha Amare! Welcome, the Ablaze Flow! Is actively involved in special events, creating audio-visual presentations and merchandising products.
Dito yan!
Brothers and sisters, mag-ingay para sa Ablaze! Asia is the largest continent in the world by both land and population. It covers an area of more than 44 million square kilometers, about 30% of Earth's total land and 8% of Earth's total surface area. The continent, which has long been home to the majority of the human population, was the site of many of the first civilizations. Its 4.7 billion population of Asia. Islam accounts for around 24.83% of the total population of Asia, concentrated in West Asia. The CFC Asia mission is to present in 4 regions and 33 countries and areas, including North Asia, Mongolia, South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau, South Asia, Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, Laos, Myanmar, Sabah, Sarawak, Singapore, Timor-Leste, Thailand, Vietnam, West Malaysia, and the Middle East, Bahrain, Cyprus, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and United States Arab States Emirates. CFC and Family Ministries in Asia has a total of 29,882 membership. The Asia Flow depicts the most iconic and famous landmarks of the continent. The Great Petronas, Taipei, and Mount Everest Nepal, name it all. The Asia Mission honors and greatly appreciates our CFC Metro Manila Central. Their mission extends beyond borders, reaching remote villages, urban centers, and conflict-affected regions. CFC Africa hosts dynamic worship events, marriage, enrichment programs, and outreach initiatives. Let us all welcome the CFC Europe Africa! The dedicated to strengthening Christian family values across the diverse and expansive region of Oceania. American and Western Samoa, Tonga, New Caledonia, Vanuatu, Cook Island, Solomon Islands, and Tahiti. Oceanics to New Zealand's lush green valleys and the sea layer, palm fringes, beaches, and the Pacific Islands. This diversity mission extends to the people, with each culture offering unique perspective and traditions that enrich the mission's outreach and activities. Brothers and sisters, let's give a warm welcome for CMC Oceania! Of its campaign, the Lord added 11,285 new members in the evangelization campaign. Let us all welcome the CMC Mindanao! Brothers and sisters, let's all welcome the big island of One Luzon. Luzon is inspired on its evangelization work that currently on 120,261 members, including the For the past 70 years, the jeep has been the workhorse of Filipinos. It has been a reliable, versatile, and sturdy people carrier. The jeep can get us through cold waters, steep climbs, and rough roads. Similarly, the Metro Manila mission across 16 cities, 1 municipality, and parts of Rizal and Cavite. These are North A, North B, East A, East B, West A, West B, and West C, South A and South B, Central A, Central B, and Central C. With the call of the Couples for Christ. Brothers and sisters, once again, let us all welcome the CMC Metro